sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab, then opening the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can also be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute vests for in-lap children. Before you take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on handles are stowed, and aisle armrests are in the resting position. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat back pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight.
electronic systems overheating, please notify your flight attendant. Even when the seatbelt sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected rough air. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and service offerings, including water, coffee, tea, and snacks. Beer and wine are available for Delta Comfort customers. Please note that federal regulations